right, guys, before the shave, oh, nice. I just got a care pack. I'm really excited about this. I've been looking at this product for a while on Instagram. They make great products. They make them here in the US, and it's a product we all need. And the holidays are coming. So I'm really excited to show you what's inside this bag here. And I want to thank Nate from the Lost Dutchman Leather Company for sending this original Finnegan in Russet. And this is a wallet, guys. A minimalist wallet. So you put your cards and your cash in here. It has a nice little strap here that keeps all that nice and secure. And it's really small, fits in your pocket, nice profile. This russet color I just thought was interesting. And if you know leather ages well over time. It picks up character. So I'm really excited about this. And I'll be putting this in all my videos going forward for the next couple of months through the holidays. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check it out. Get one of these for yourself. There's all different styles and finishes, like NFL football leather, that pebble leather. And they do an exclusive drop when they have new products. I think the drop's on Saturdays at 12, and it's limited, like one-of-one type styles. Handmade, handcrafted. You could do a contrast stitch, any color you'd like. You can put a monogram here, gold leaf on the logo. Just customizable and just really cool. Look at that. And the smell. Oh, you shaving folks, you'll love and appreciate that smell. So, Lost Dutchman Nate, he actually sent me a note in the care pack. And he says,
"Hey Tony, hope you enjoy the original Finnegan in Russet."
And Nate, I will. Thank you.
"This is made with full-grain vegetable tanned leather and hand-stitched here in our shop in Apache Junction, Arizona. The russet leather ages like fine wine. Enjoy."
I will do a series of videos on this wallet and show you how it ages and give you my feedback. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can reach out, get your orders for yourself, your loved ones. Remember the holiday is coming. Again, Nate, thank you.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with cool.